What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey, hello, 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 hello. Well, that was weird. Nasdaq just had a dump right there, right? 856, big dump. About 100 points almost. Huh. All right. Well, it's time. It's time, my friends. It's time. We're getting ready here for market open. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Not even 9 o'clock yet. Well. Would you look at that? We got a gap to the upside. 29,300 level is the gap to the upside. We had a bear flag. We sold down. We took out the previous day low. We're kind of pulling back into here now. So the $1 million question, is this going to be kind of that head and shoulders and we move down here today for the next move? What do we think? What do we think? Is this a big bear flag on the hourly chart playing out right now? And then we get a pop, a drop, a pop, and a drop. $1 million question. 4-hour bear flag. Possibly. Kind of looks like big bear flag here on the 4-hour chart for now. We kind of pushed up here into this previous area of support, turning it into resistance now. Obviously, that's bad news for the bulls. The question, though, is today the dump, or do we get another pump up inside that channel? $1 million question. Everybody wants to know. Right? Everybody wants to know. At least I think they want to know. Denny Dollars in the chat. What's up, Denny Dollars? What is up? I don't think we have any news today, do we? I don't think so. Looking here right now at the news on onlyprofirms.com. We got no major news today, so another kind of uneventful news day. Doesn't look like we really have much news here until what was that, Friday? Yeah, Friday. We got S&P Global PMI number on Friday, but other than that, not really any major news this week. So I have to see what happens here on the Nasdaq. Will we get a pump, a dump, a pump and a dump, and a pump and a pump, pump, pump? You know, we'll see. Denny said, "How's Cali?" Oh man, Denny, it's just so nice. It's just so nice. We're actually, me and Landon, we're going to Reno tomorrow or today. We're flying to Reno, Nevada. We got a little race thing going on tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. So me and Landon are going racing. Don't worry, though. We got D-Money tomorrow for you in the morning. I think Denny's going to jump on in the afternoon as well. So Steele said that he got Mark safe from he didn't get banned by Denny during Asia. Oh, man. Oh man, any more vlogs coming out? Yeah, I'll probably film a vlog. The trip to the racing thingy-majiggy. We got the VWAP up here, 29,150 area. Had that swipe of these lows already. We got a pivot point there, 29,125. And then obviously, possibly that gap back up here. We got to see what happens either way. We got to see what happens either way. Good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? We're back. We have earnings today. I mean, don't really matter, to be honest. The earnings are after hours, so let's focus on what we can control, and that's right now. Right now, okay? Right now. I must control right now and nothing else. All right. Kind of a big move overnight here. If you think about it, about a 300-point range overnight. Big move down here. What is it going to do next? Right now, we do have kind of an inside daily candle. So we're inside the previous daily candle. Right, we haven't broken the high or the low of the previous daily candle here, so. Will we get a big dump today is the question. Big dump or what? The $1 million question. Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. We will get a rage dump. A rage dump? What's a rage dump? What's a rage dump? You just crazy now. We're gonna go to yesterday's low, maybe. 28,731 is the previous daily candle low, so. Right now, just kind of holding up there at the 29,000 area for now. We did swipe those lows, kind of 5-minute candle, pushing back up here for now. Got like 29,050 area being a little bit of resistance. We pop above that, maybe we kind of extend back up here before going lower. We'll see. We'll see. Everybody always wants to know which way we're going to go. I mean, hey, sometimes up, sometimes down. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, chat. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes up, sometimes down. I don't have an energy drink this morning. Opened the fridge, there was none left. It had none left. Had none left. Pretty crazy little pop, I guess, drop right there as well, right? We had a pretty crazy little drop. Look at that thing. Came right back up. It was 100 points to the downside there. We still got about 23 minutes here till market opens. Part of me thinks we might pop up here above these highs. Part of me thinks that. Oh. Why is I got 6? Good thing I did not get long there. Just kidding. kind of like it's looking like it wants to pop up here. I'm gonna try a long, just for like 10 points. Try to get above this 50 area here. Started out early. Little bull flag. It's a little bull flag, right? It's a bull flag, little thing, little wedge thingy. I normally don't trade pre-market, but the last few days we've been getting kind of these crazy little pops and drops pre-market. So let's see what happens here. Oh, buddy. Buddy. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Somebody asked, do I only trade bull flags on the 1 minute chart? No, sir. I trade them on all the 5 minute chart, hourly chart. So the bigger the time frame, obviously the better the bull flag. So hey guys, I mean, I told you I was getting long. I can't help it that it went straight up there. I can't help it. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me, chat. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault, okay? Look at that. It's still going higher, by the way. It's still going higher. All right, well, like I said, kind of took a little long there, thinking that we might pop above these highs on the 5 minute chart, maybe push back up into here for now. The plan for me at open is just kind of wait. I always say this every morning, but I think right now, if we are going to go lower, we'll probably try to push back up a little bit before going lower, but you never know. Sometimes dump, sometimes pump, and then the dump. So we'll have to just be patient here. First winning trade of the day here. Put me on the scoreboard. That was a quick W. That was it was 40 seconds. $1,000 in 40 seconds. We got 5 accounts here, so that's a long trade. 41 seconds. Are you kidding me? That's a long trade right there, my friends. I mean, I normally don't last more than 20 seconds, but hey, 40 seconds, that's a good one. What is W? Stock Trader said www.patrickWielandMakeTheMoney.com. Okay, what is the W? We took a long here off of the 9 EMA for an easy 10 points. It got 20 points, by the way, so more W's, more wins, more fun. The BDH, baby. We're doing it live. And like I always say, man, if your guru don't show you the trade before the move happens, doesn't show you the entry, doesn't show you the exit, did he really even do it? Did he even really do it? Did he even really do it? The $1 million question, my friends. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We're getting ready here for market open. It's currently 9:12 in the morning. Just having a good old time, my friends. Having a good old time here. Just having a good old time here. Having a good old time. God. Dude, what is going on? The mayor of New York City put out this, like, what does he think? Does the mayor of New York City think that he's like actually important? Does he think he's important? He put out a press release. Saying that the federal government should go and arrest the president of Israel. Like, God, y'all be crazy. Bro, just worry about New York City. Okay, let's worry about New York City, okay? God. Let's worry about all the problems in New York City, you know? Let's worry about all the problems in New York City.
All right, so for memorialization's sake, this is the...
God. Crazy work.
Over here in there, Wadi. You feel me? You know, they got
Airs they have. Oh, they are.
Cleanup is underway after damaging storms tore through New York on Tuesday.
Excuse me. You guys live in New York? Yeah. Did you guys rent an apartment here?
You got New York City's flooding, and this guy's putting out fucking press releases. LOL. The mayor of New York City's putting out fucking press releases, and the city of New York is flooding. The guy's got too much time on his hands, clearly. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You have to love it. You have to love it. How did the Benz make it through all that water? Dude, it followed the bus. It was drafting behind the bus. Dude, look at the Benz. Look at the Benz. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Somebody in the chat said, "Why are you talking politics?" I'm not talking politics. I'm just talking about the fact that you know, that the mayor of New York City is a fucking retard. So that's all. Nasdaq, push it back up here right now. Hey, I've said it a million times and I'll say it again, and this might not be what people want to hear, but America did not become the greatest country in the world because we were Muslim. Okay? It's very simple. Yeah. That's the only answer that needs to be said. At the end of the day, yeah. Amen. It's over. The argument's done. You can hate America all you want, but that's just the truth. So, I don't know. You can hate me whatever you want, but I mean, that's the truth. So, it didn't become great because of any religion. Well, I mean, America was based on Christian religion. So, I mean, it says in the Pledge of Allegiance, one nation under God, not one nation under Allah. So, I mean, America was great before colonization. Yeah, dude, the fucking Native Americans were just fucking, they were living life over here. Somebody said America was great before colonization. Yeah, dude, the fucking Native Americans, they were, you know, they were just fucking building fucking amazing cities and infrastructure and just, you know, and you know, the Native Americans were just, they were fucking just doing amazing things over here. They were doing amazing just doing amazing things over here. America is great because of slave labor. Will you shut the fuck up, Steven? Slave labor? What slaves are still in America? What are you talking about? Slave labor? What? America was built on trans labor. Yeah, we had a huge workforce of transgenders that were built in America. Yeah, I mean, the chat is hilarious. Very hilarious. Anybody who says America is not the greatest country on this planet, you're just clearly you're confused. You know, you're confused, sir. You're confused, sir. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing back up here. We got these lows. Got to take it out here. 29,000 back up here to the 72s. I took a quick little long here earlier. If you missed out on that, well, you know, I can't help it. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. As you can see there, we took a little long at the 50 area for a quick 10 points here pre-market, and right now just kind of pulling back here. So we'll see what happens as the market opens up. We got about 8 minutes here. We got 8 minutes. What? We had 8 minutes here. Someone is in the TJR competition, currently ranked 32. Let's go. Let's go. PW, your ideology is your identity. I mean, hey, do I think that there's things that we can do better? Yeah, I've always said that. But at the end of the day, there's nowhere on this planet, there's nowhere on this planet that is better than America. It's that simple. It's that simple, you know? It's that simple. Japan. Yeah, no, Japan's fucked. Japan's gonna go, Japan is literally going to disappear. Japan is not better. You know, Japan is gonna disappear here pretty soon. In the future, there will be no Japan. You know that, right? They're not having babies. They're not having babies, bro. The Japanese are gonna disappear from the face of the planet. Steven said, for free labor for 500 years, we'll do that for you. What is this guy talking about? Slaves did not build America. The fuck is this guy talking about? God. Insanity. Right now, the Nasdaq just pushes back up here. Japan was built without Christianity, and somehow it exists. I mean, you know, if you go back through time, you'll see. I mean, someone said the slaves did not know how to build. They did manual labor, carried heavy lumber from place to place. They had no. What are you talking about, dude? The slaves that got brought to America, they built fucking huge buildings in Africa. Okay, like what? Have you seen the movie, The Black Panther? The slaves that came to America were from Wakanda. Okay, Wakanda. The slaves that got brought from Africa to America, they were from Wakanda, right? They had fucking planes and helicopters and, you know, technology long before America did, all right? Everybody knows that. It's fucking simple. It's called history, okay? Fucking history. God. The funny thing is, the Wakanda is literally just one big propaganda machine. Wakanda. Get out. There's no Wakanda. Wakanda. Right now, Nasdaq just push it back up here. We were thinking that maybe we get a push back up towards this VWAP level, and then we sell down maybe. Hourly chart right now. We swiped the previous day open, right? The market open. Right now, kind of push it back up here. Overall, I mean, hourly chart, this is kind of a big bear flag, right? Big bear flag on the hourly chart here. So, you gotta see what happens. Buy low, sell, buy low, so high. You're welcome. What does that mean? What does that mean? We got 2 minutes here till market opens. 2 minutes. Right now, just kind of seeing if we're going to make this move down here today or if we're going to push back up and chop. We have no major news today. No major news. We got Trump talking, I guess. We got some other stuff going on. But right now, the fact that we kind of swipe these lows and squeeze back up here is interesting. I think maybe we go higher before going lower. But we got to see what happens, right? Gotta see what happens here. Doty Coyote, do you own a helicopter, a boat? Why do you lease stuff? Because I'm poor, Doty. I leased a helicopter because I couldn't afford to buy it, okay? Clearly, I'm fucking poor. Okay? God. Poor people asking me why I leased a helicopter. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Right now, Nasdaq pushing back up here, 29,120 area. 120 area, man. Who would have thought that I freaking leased a helicopter and all I get is hate for it? You know, who would have thought? It's crazy. I thought, you know, getting a helicopter was like a cool thing to do, but nope. All it is hate. The haters are just hating. They just big haters. Patrick, you're a scammer. You leased a helicopter. You don't own it. You're a scam, Patrick. You're a fucking scammer. All you do is scam people with your leased helicopter. Wow. Straight up here. There's that pop. Straight fucking up. We got the VWAP coming up at the 140 area. We have not gotten there yet. Right up there to the 120s so far. If we start to like roll over here and we lose 80s, I might look for a short setup. Just got to see what kind of happens here. We're right there at that pivot point. We got a pivot point right here. Overall trend is down. We got stuck. This is kind of a lower high currently, so we got to see what happens. First 1 minute candle right now, showing some strength here. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. $120's holding us down for now. I'm gonna try a short right here. Get this little move back down here quickly. Nice. Nice. 20 points. We broke through the high of that previous candle, looking for that resistance there, right? We had all that resistance there, so I'll take an easy 20 points. I'll take an easy 20 points there, you know? You don't need to overcomplicate this shit sometimes. Still pushing up though, so that's why I took that profit. We were still above that EMA, so I wasn't gonna be too greedy there. If we start to get back below the EMA, there might be a good short setup there, so. Let's see what happens. Nvidia is pulling back again. If we get back below 29,100, we might start to sell back down, but just being patient right now. Let this kind of build out some kind of structure right now. If we got to get, well, I guess we'd have to get basically, we got to get back above the VWAP here. And then maybe we push back up. We do have that previous day gap, right? The gap is there. You know those gaps love to get filled. Really just depends on what the market wants to do here. Someone in the chat said, I'm glad I told you to start this channel. It's a good YouTube show. The chat is undefeated sometimes. Oh, man. That would have been a good long entry, I guess, off the hundreds. Now up there to the 160s. Patrick, I'm just happy that you listened to me. Okay, 10 years ago, you started this YouTube channel. Okay, it's all because of me. Well, we are squeezing here. Squeezing here right now. 29,160. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Got that high coming up there at the 170s. Well, some resistance at the 170 area. Five-minute chart right now. We got a minute left on this 5-minute candle. Is that a skull behind me? Yeah, bro, it's Illuminati. It's Illuminati, okay? I'm a part of the Illuminati. I'm a part of the Illuminati. I'm an Illuminator. Someone said the hourly candle has no wick on the bottom. You are right about that. There is no wick on the bottom of this candle right now. So, the $1 million question, will we reject and come all the way back down here now? We do have a lot of resistance there. 5-minute candle's got a wick on top here now. There's no wick on the bottom of the 5-minute candle. So, like I'm half tempted to kind of like try a short here with a stop above this high, but Nvidia is pushing straight up right now. So that's probably not a good idea. So, gotta see what happens. Yeah, London high is at 170. What does it mean if a candle doesn't have a wick? It means it's a girl candle. If a candle doesn't have a wick, that means it's a girl candle. So, you know, I prefer my ladies with no wicks, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? That's what I prefer. But you know, there might be somebody in the chat who likes a big old wick on his lady. So, big old wick on his lady here. That London high area, what, 170? They're kind of like pulling it back right now. This could be a little scalp setup to like try to get up there towards 180 next. If we dip down here again in wick and then we pop right back up like that right there, almost. I might try a long here, chat. I'm looking, I'm waiting for a little breakout. It's getting tight up here, but see, that's what I want. If this thing, it's got to wick right back up now. It has to, like, right now has to wick all the way back up. If it doesn't wick, then I'm not trying it. See, no reason to do anything there yet. I was waiting for that candle to either wick down and then pop right back up, but did not do that. So I need a wick. I need a wick, man. It is. Oh my lord. All right, we're trying the longs here. Big wick there again, off of the pivot point as well. So, can we get up here through the 70s next? Just trying. A little bit of trouble there, but we just need to pop. Poppity poppin'. Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins. Make a new high here, baby. Let's go. Need to pop this high right here and then go right up there to the 70s. I'll take a little bit right there, not to be greedy. We're right below that 70 area here now. Moving stop to break even. Trying to look, see if we get to the 180s next. That's another W for you. I'm going to move this stop right here to the fucking 50s for 10 points guaranteed. Obviously, we can't lose now. So if it does reverse, it reverses, whatever. Still 1,200 bucks. All right, we'll take it right there. We'll take it right there for now. That's 3 winning trades in a row here so far. 3 winning trades in a row. I'm just a little cautious because we're having, you know, this resistance. We're right here at this London high now. So we just got to be careful. It's either going to pop or it's going to drop. Like I said, that was a good, you know, a good, I guess, trail there. So look at that. We got Christian in the chat. He said he's been here for 10 minutes, 3 winning trades. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Right now, Nasdaq pushing back down. We're right there at that pivot point. We got a pivot point right here. This is what I was kind of buying that bounce off earlier, but you can see we got rejected coming right back down now. So we got a little bit of time until the 15-minute range is officially set. It's only been 8 minutes since the market opened. No rush, no rush. No rush here now. If we start to roll back over here, it'll be interesting, but still showing some strength there. We swipe these candle lows right back up. I don't know if they're done going higher just yet. 5-minute chart still looks good, right? We're holding the middle of that previous 5-minute candle basically now. This is kind of that key level. We did pop the high already, but I think there's more room to the upside here. Look at this squeeze right back up. I'm trying another long here. It's going for like another 20 points. Well, that's 10 points, but we're going for 20, all right? We're going for 20 here. Holding up there at the VWAP for now as well, so got to see. Chop City there. I'm gonna try one more ad here. If we're gonna come all the way back down here, maybe. It's 9:40 and we're at 140. Oh my lord. What does this mean, chat? It's inception. $9.40 at 140. Got to get moving here to the upside. Keep these bulls going. Don't want the bears to come in. No bears, please. No bears, please. All right, I'm going to play this tight, guys. I got my stop here. We want to see an instant pump. Instant pump only. Instant pump only. I'm taking a little off right there. And then I'm moving stop break even. And then we're looking for 180s here next. Right? It's either going to go or it's not. And I don't want to sit in the dump. So. Yeah, see, it just can't go. So I'm going to just stay out of it for now. I've tried to get this pop and we've gotten like 10 points and I'm going to stay out of it for now. I'll give it 4 more minutes for this 15-minute range to be set. Maybe it still goes, but I don't want it to pull back on me. So. Yeah, I mean, it's showing good strength. It's just like, keeps getting stuck right here and I don't want to like sit through a drawdown. So I'd rather just like get out of it instead of trying to hold that. But there it goes. Look at that. 170s, 180s. Congratulations if you took a long. Nice work. Nice work. W's in the chat. W's. WWWs. Still pumping all the way up there to the 170s. That so far this morning, that is 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trade, 4. So we've had 4 trades here so far, and they're all winning trades. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. No losers, just winner, 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 chicken dinners. We got 5 accounts that we're trading right now. Take Profit Trader, you get really fast payouts to Take Profit Trader right now. We got 5 accounts. We're up almost $6,000 on the day, and it's only 9:43 right now. It's only 9:43. I showed you guys every entry, every exit. I showed you everything, right? I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do, chat, other than coming to your house and pressing the button for you. So there's that pump. There it goes. Up there are the 180s. Can you come to my house? No. You come to my house? All right, well, like I said, NVIDIA pumped up, filled the gap right now, so things are gonna get interesting. NVIDIA up there to the 207, still just straight back up here now. Waiting to see what happens here. I would like, if I'm looking to get a long again, I would like a better pullback, maybe. I mean, we do have this gap fill, right? We do have the gap fill, 29,300. We're back above the VWAP here now. Things are getting interesting. 15-minute chart breaking through the London high currently. Could hit 311, could be. Seems like a better pullback. 15-minute chart is, or 15-minute candle is about to be closed. 15-minute candle about to close here at the highs of this candle. There's that 180 area. We took the longs, up there to the 180s. It's still going, so. All right, the 15-minute range is now set. So, pumpity pump. Wow. Still pumping and pumping. Straight up. I'm gonna try a short right here. Let's see if we can't get a quick little pullback. Looks a little overextended right now. We popped those highs and we'll see. Maybe a terrible idea trying to short this. Maybe. I feel like we're due for a pullback, but that's when my problem starts happening. I'm starting to feel here. Don't start feeling, chat. Someone said it's an L. Well, it ain't over just yet. Give me a moment, sir. Give me one moment. It ain't over just yet. It tried. Oh. So Mr. Gimbal, you're gonna get banned. Thank you very much for playing. All right. Hey. Haters are gonna hate. We took it. I mean, guys, not every trade I take is gonna be a winning trade, right? But at least I'm showing you guys the entries. I'm showing you the exits. Hopefully you're learning something. You're seeing, you know, that this is trading. Not every single trade that I go into, I'm not always going to be like, oh my God, this is guaranteed to work, right? Like, it's not always like that. I just take trades. But yeah, I showed you every entry, every exit today. And look at that pullback now. So that is 5 winning trades so far. 5 winning trades, chat. 5 winning trades. And look at that. J Demp says, you use massive stops that we can't follow you on. We get stopped out all the time trying to follow you. At least I do. I blow up my account every time if I give stops that you give. Size down. Like, that's not me, that's you, bro. Size down. Size down. Like, just size down. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, don't copy me. I mean, nobody's telling you to copy me. Wow. Did anybody hold that short? Did anybody hold that short? Wow. Where's the haters at now? Back there to the 160s now. Gotta love it. Any plan to go to Thailand? Some guy just asked me in the chat. Are you going to go to Thailand anytime soon? No plans to go to Thailand, just anytime soon, to be honest. All right, Nasdaq, we popped the highs. We pulled back down. The reason I took that short there as well, guys, is because a lot of times, what do, right? The first initial break of the 15-minute range, a lot of times that first initial break ends up being a trap, right? It's not always, but a lot of times we kind of get a fake out where we break the 15-minute range to the upside and then we pull right back into the 15-minute range. So just keeping that in mind. Like I said, it's not always, nothing's ever 100%. But that's why, right? A lot of times the 15-minute range, you'll get a pop, a drop, whatever it is, and then you get that pullback right into the range. It doesn't mean that I'm overly bearish by any means. It just means that majority of the time, you know, you get a little pullback into the range. Here's your 15-minute range. We popped it, we pulled back. We got the middle of the 15-minute range now to kind of watch. So that's why. And now I think we probably going to pull back a little bit more. This is just like this whole like morning move is not that sexy, right? Like it's just not that sexy. So we got to see what happens. Let's go. We got Vic Trades in the chat. He said he's up $300 in the 25K account funded. Let's go. Let's go, my friend. Ooh. They're holding the middle of that 15-minute range right now. I'm gonna try a quick long, a long here now. This is like popping straight back up. Getting filled 204s. Do we get continuation out of here though? That's the question. Kind of got stuck right there again. I'm kind of watching here. I might just jump out. Oh, the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What? What the fuck? All right, well, that is now 6 winning trades. 6 winning trades, $2,000. It teleported right to my target. The best part is every single trade this morning showed you the entry, I showed you the exit, so. Big thank you to all the supporters in the chat. If you're enjoying the stream, don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. We are making money here, people. We're up $10,000 live. So, live. Join my Discord. Join my Discord for $1,000 per month. Oh, my Discord. Join my fucking Discord. Still making new highs now, up there to the 220s. So. Don't be afraid to tell your friends that we're doing this live every day, 9 a.m., making money. The proof is in the pudding. 0 losing trades. Every single trade today shown live. No bullshit, no hindsight, no, oh, I forgot to show you the trade. No, every single trade today shown live with you guys. So let's go, baby. Nasdaq up there to the 240s now. We took a long there at 184 and it popped straight to the 240s. You gotta love it. We got a big boner candle going on right now. It's hard to think that we don't go to fill that gap there now, right? It's hard to think that. I don't know if it's gonna go right now, but I'm saying, you know, let's think that overall that's probably the target here. So that's probably the target there. So, where's the gap? This is the previous day close, 29,300. So, oh my God, still squeezing. We need a little bit of a pullback here either way, right? I mean, ideally, a little pullback, maybe. Ideally, possibly, maybe. I would like it, you know, but it doesn't always happen that way. 5-minute candle straight up. We broke out the 15-minute range. You got Nvidia filled the gap, still pushing. You can see right now, ES is pretty close to that gap fill. So the ES is getting really close to filling that previous day gap. So looks like the Nasdaq might be working the same way there. So let's see what happens. $250s next? I wonder. Looks like it. Looks like it. There's 250s. Man. Dr. Shuttle said he's just happy he didn't get banned. He's getting banned. Man, look at this thing go, boys. The bulls are back. We're up 150 points since the open. What's crazy too is if you think about it, I took a long here at open or pre-market. I took a long. I got long at 29,044. I took 10 points, but look at it now. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You do have to, I mean, honestly, you have to love it, right? It's just, it's funny. Still squeezing. Gap fill, baby. I mean, fuck, you just want like some kind of pullback to build out something, right? But like, fuck, there it goes. 260s just straight up right now. The EMA on Tradevate is the 9 EMA. I use the 9 EMA, that blue line on Tradevate. So there we go. We got Roman in the chat. Thank you for your hard work and inspiration. You're the GOAT. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, like I said a million times, without you guys tuning in, I would just be some crazy ginger on the internet screaming and yelling. But the fact that people tune in every day, we got over 4,000 people watching right now. This is the most watched live stream on YouTube, right? We are the most watched live stream live on YouTube. Not only do we day trade live every day, 9 a.m., but unlike a lot of the other streamers, we show you exactly when we enter. We show you exactly when we get out. We show you our plan, the thought process, and everything top to bottom. There is nobody else out there doing it like this, right? I'm not sitting here all day long telling you hit the like button, give me a giveaway, blah, blah, blah. No, motherfuckers, no. We making money. We making money live. Real talk, real talk. Oh my God, Nasdaq still just pumping, man. What a fucking pump. What a pumpity pump. They love the, you know, the gap. It's funny because, you know, back in the day when I used to trade small caps, I used to love gap fills. Obviously, you know, everybody loves a good gap fill sexually, but in like, you know, in trading the gap fill, shoo, it's good times. Nasdaq still making new highs now, up there to the 270s almost. Oh my Lord. This is quite interesting. It's quite interesting, chat. It seriously won't stop. I cannot believe this right now. What is happening? No pullbacks, just straight to the moon. I guess we're going 300s here. There's no denying it. 300s. 29,300 possible. I still just think we gotta like give me a little pullback here, Nasdaq. Like, come on. Help me out, baby girl. Help me out. Help me out, baby girl. Let me get in on this action. Got a huge 1 hour candle. Yep, look at that thing. No pullbacks yet. So we got the hourly candle closed. Hourly candle is closed here. Oh my God. Crazy. I mean, absolutely crazy. You know what's even funnier? I'll tell you what's funny, right? You know, what's funny is the fact that at open, we were like looking for the shorts, right? And well, you can see how quickly that changed. I think this squeeze right now that we're getting is probably because everybody was thinking it was a short, right? Like everybody was like, oh, it's going to be a short. You know, it's going to be, I think that's maybe why we squeezed. You know, I was looking for a short. I said that. Somebody said, why do you only take small profits and not hold for much bigger moves? I'll show you why. I'll show you exactly why I do what I do. Do you want to see why? The proof? Do you want to see the proof in that? All right, let's look. This is my account, right? My Lucid account, funded account. For the month of July, we have not had one red day, right? We have not had one red day. So that's why I do what I do. I trade the way that I trade because, well, it works for me. Can you go for bigger moves? Go for it. So, yeah, I mean, getting paid. The whole idea of, guys, I want you all to think about this right now. I think a lot of people, right? Yes, we got 200 points yesterday, but this is the problem, right? A lot of people get caught up in this idea that they have to make a lot of money, right? Because like every day, I got to make $10,000 every day, right? Every day I got to make $10,000. Well, what if you made $1,000 for 10 days straight? That's much easier than it is to make $10,000 every day. Mentally, emotionally, you know, mentally, emotionally, this is the much better way to do it. Which I don't know a lot of stuff, right? I know a lot of people think that I'm an idiot and I don't know a lot about a lot, but I have been trading now for almost 10 years. And I have been through the ups, I have been through the downs. I remember when I first started, I wanted to have those big trades. I wanted to make the big profits. You know, that's all I could talk about. That's all I wanted to do. I tell everybody like, man, I want to make $100,000 today. I want to make $100,000 today. And well, always what happens when I get greedy, that's when I lose, right? That's when instead of making money, I just lose money. And also, remember guys, a lot of these prop firms have consistency rules, right? They have consistency rules, and those consistency rules, well, it's just gonna make it hard to get a payout. Like, what is the point of trading with prop firms? Right? What is the point? At the end of the day, like, this is not my own personal account, right? If you're trading with a prop firm account, it's not your personal account. It's not. Like, so building up a massive buffer in a prop firm account does nothing for you, right? It doesn't help you. It doesn't make you a better trader. It doesn't make you more successful, right? No. If you want to make money trading prop firms, you got to get payouts. You can see the month of July here, $3,000, 5 accounts, payout. July 14th, $3,500 paid out. July 19th, $3,500 paid out. Payouts are what get you paid. Having big profits are what blow up your accounts. And that is, my God, that's the God's honest truth. God's honest truth. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lock out those Lucid accounts. Shout out to Tradeovate. That way I'm done for the day. I can't do anything stupid. Right? I do love it. I do like locking it out sometimes. Right? Lock them out and be done. So the best part now is I have more accounts, don't worry, but I can't even trade these anymore. I'm done. We'll go trade Tradeify accounts now, but my that's $5,000 in Lucid. Done for the day. And right now, I mean, we're kind of like right there, huh? Like, let's look at this 5-minute chart. Still looking pretty strong, honestly. I'm gonna try a long here. I think 300 to fill the gap would be my target. We'll go for a bigger trade here for the chat. And that, hey, don't be mad at me if this crashes back down. I don't even want to hear it, chat. Don't even be like, Patrick, you suck. I told you not to get long. Don't even say that. All right? Because, well, it's not my fucking problem. It's your problem. I'm taking the risk. I'm okay with it. So we'll see what happens. That was 10 points either way. So. I'm not blaming it on you. I'm just saying, if this trade is a losing trade, don't get mad at me, right? Like, it's not my fault. See, this is always what happens. That 10 points would have got me paid, but the chat said, why don't you ever hold it longer? God damn it, chat, you motherfuckers. Pulled right back down. I'm gonna dip this down a little bit just to see if they're gonna maybe swipe this 240 level, the low of this candle, to pop it back up. Maybe. Yeah, see, straight back down now. It's not what we wanted. I'm gonna try to add right there. That's if it works, it works. If not, I gotta get out. So let's see. Stops are basically at the low of this candle now. Yeah. Not good. Ugh, these Tradeify accounts just cannot catch a break. I make money in the Lucid accounts, and then the Tradeify accounts get fucked every day. God damn it. Retest 200? Yeah, maybe. Mohammed said I look gay. Thank you, Mohammed. Your name's Mohammed. I won't even respond to that until you, yeah, never mind. You win. I'm gay. Thank you. If we can just get back above that 250 area, I think we're good. But right now, just kind of trouble there. Trouble. I should have just stuck to my game plan here, chat. This is not looking good for me. Stuck to the 10 points. 10 points for winning all day, and I had to go and be retarded and try to prove something for no reason. Whatever. Just trying to always prove something. These are Lucid funded accounts. They're about to get blown, so that's my drawdown. We got 5 accounts here. I'm thirsty. Got a pump here. Do something. Now I'm gonna stick to this. I'm gonna look for this gap fill. It's like I was okay taking the risk, so now I gotta try to go for at least some kind of profit. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. So we'll see. I'm okay with it either way. I've accepted my fate. Yeah, I'm just kind of stuck right there. 260s again. Son of a bitch. Where do I see the gap at? The gap is the previous day close. here, right? So previous day close was at 29,315 area. 5-minute chart, we're kind of just like, I think it's probably going to go at some point. It might pull back one more, you know, go one more 5-minute candle down, and then we push back up into the 11 o'clock kind of hour. So we might lose it right here. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, it is like, I don't know. I'm okay with it. I've accepted the risk. I don't know why people are so worried about it. Yes, we have five Tradeify accounts. We have one, obviously we're copy trading through Tradeivate, so that means we have 2 contracts per account. So just kind of chopping around here. 5-minute chart just needs to get moving again. 5-minute chart, I think, like I said, maybe we pull back a little lower before going higher, but if we basically break through 260s, we should push higher. We might swipe these lows now. Let's see. New 5-minute candles, they love to retest those lows like that. Trump talking, PW. Yeah, we're stopped out. She's gone, boys. Ugh. That hurts, but it is what it is. That's all you can do sometimes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Meh. 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 Goddamn Tradeify accounts. You goddamn Tradeify accounts, you motherfuckers. Back down there, 29,200. So yeah, I mean, I think the bulls are gonna step back in here. We just need to get a pop. You know, that's what that would be my theory here. I don't know. That's what my theory would be. I'm not long. CV Bash in Key West this weekend. You going? Nah. I'm going racing. All right, well, we'll see if this 5-minute chart's going to clean up and start to push back up here. Ugh. If we get back above 240, I'm trying to long again. Five-minute chart looks really good now. We got a big wick on this 5-minute candle. I'm trying to, like, basically if we get back above, if this candle can turn green, then I like the idea of the squeeze. So, gotta see. No long yet. No reason to get long just yet, but I think basically back above this 240 level, we go for that gap fill. How many accounts do you buy per month? Do you have to spend a fortune? Yeah, I spend about $100,000 per month to buy accounts, basically. PW, I've been watching you for over a year. I've learned a lot from you. Question, don't you feel that it's very hard to get payouts with some firms than others? No, I don't. I mean, it's hard to say what you're saying, but look at this squeeze right back up now. I'm trying to long here. I got some other Tradeify evals that we can try to get past. Don't you love it? Oh, God. We got stopped out on that long, and then look. I fucking even said it, too. I was like, we're going to swipe this fucking low and then probably push back up here. You gotta fucking love it sometimes, man. It's so frustrating. Why is trading so frustrating? It's frustrating because of hindsight. I mean, I think it's frustrating because, well, I said that it would probably do exactly what it's doing right now, right? It would swipe this candle low and then try to squeeze back up, which it's fucking doing. So it's too much sometimes. How does that happen? Like, I don't even get it. I don't even get it sometimes, chat. Like, it's fucking hilarious. We get that 300 push. What up, PW? Are you living in Cali now, or are you just there temporary? I don't really live in. I live in Florida, but I travel around, just kind of do whatever I want to do. I don't really have like a set place to live, to be honest. I'm just out here living, baby. I'm gonna try to add to this right there on that pullback. We just had a new 5-minute candle open. We did break out there, so let's see if we're gonna get some kind of continuation. Some kind of continuation here, or just some more chop maybe. Wow. Straight back down again. The chop is real. Trump's tweeting. That's not good. That's not good. We're cooked. Wow. Oh, baby Jesus. Straight back down. You motherfuckers. Son of a bitch. Well, the good thing is we locked out the Lucid funded account. So that's good news. The good news is we locked out the accounts. So that's the good news, at least. That's the good news. The bad news is, I don't know. Also, the good news is Tradeify has the deal right now. You get a 5-pack bundle. Just saying, you know, I'm not saying you should buy them, but I mean, you get 5-pack bundle, get a discount with the code PW. You know what I mean? Fuck. Motherfuckers. Chop Chop City, feeling pretty, oh so pretty in the choppity city. When you reset TPTs, do you reset the PA account or do you start a new eval? To be honest, yeah, no, I'll do the pro account reset. I know it's expensive, but I mean, who wants to trade for 5 days in the eval again? All right, well, just in this chop zone now, we had some really good trades at open, and then right now just kind of getting chopped up here, so. $50K or $100K better for trading in queue? I mean, just depends on your size. I trade normally with like a 150K account. Normally it's kind of like my go-to account size. Are we gonna like dump through these lows here or what? I feel like all these lows want to get taken out, but I don't know. I'm gonna try a short here, see if we can take out these lows. God. Chopping. So close, but yet so far. So close, but yet so far. Normally, market reverses after 30 minutes. What? Famous last words. I'm gonna try to add right there and get this motherfucker to dump on me, boys. That's the 9 EMA is that blue line. Yes, 9 EMA blue line. Just kind of holding there now, motherfuckers. So stupid. I'm gonna jump out there just to chop it back up now. We gotta wait for those 5-minute candles to figure out what they're gonna do here. Do you use hotkeys? No. Well, chopped it right back down. Motherfucker. Someone says, PW, I don't know why, but when I copy your trades, you start losing. Stop copying my trades, motherfucker. God, this guy, he's the reason I'm losing right now. I mean, 5-minute chart, it just kind of stuck here right above the 15-minute range. I do think it's going to go down, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's going to go up. Back up there, 240s again. Just chopping here. ES is at the VWAP right now. Nasdaq's here at 240s. Back up 250. On Tradeify, do you go with the standard flex or the growth? I trade the growth accounts. Wow. Straight back up again. Fuck, dude. All right, well. Big push here on the 5-minute candles. See if we get like a little pullback here. Maybe try to buy this dip. If we could punch through this 260 area, I mean, fucking 29,300 for that gap fill is very much there still, so. Bro, you can't sit here and tell me July isn't the most choppy, weakest price action out of the year. I mean, I didn't. What? Whoever said that? I didn't say that. I don't really try to like think about that kind of stuff, to be honest. I don't know. You know? Like, that's just like, I don't know. I can't really control, I cannot control the price action, right? All I can do is just trade, so I think, you know, if you're like gonna sit here and worry about what month it is, what day it is, what fucking time, what the moon schedule is, if you start thinking about all that, worrying about all that, like, I don't know, it's just a battle. It's too easy to start thinking about all the bullshit. Well, Nasdaq right back down here. We hit that trend line. Someone drew a yellow trend line on the chart. Fucking market can't get above it now. Massive chop zone right in here, boys. Massive chop zone. Massive chop zone. $15-minute chart, not looking too hot. I mean, hourly chart's still just kind of holding here. They can't figure out which way it wants to go. When you take an entry, what conditions would you consider essential to place a trade? Normally when I look to place a trade, I just look down and I go and just get in, you know? Just gotta take a little look and go, okay, we're good, go. Normally, that's my normal setup. How is Nvidia looking? Nvidia's looking pretty strong right now. Nvidia's pumping again. 207.50. He's trying to pump. Right now, if you look at Nvidia here, Nvidia's starting to break out again to the upside. So, will the Nasdaq follow here? ES is right there at the VWAP. Nvidia's pumping. Nasdaq's right here. Part of me, I mean, I feel like we're gonna go to that 29,300 area to fill that gap. The problem is, you know, at what point will that happen? Will it be at 11 o'clock? Will it be at 12 o'clock? Will it be at 1 o'clock? You know, at what point are we gonna do that? So, you can see it's just been very choppy. But getting above 260 should be kind of the breakout again, but who knows? What's SpaceX doing? I haven't even looked at SpaceX in a while. SpaceX down to 122. If you're watching the live stream right now and you remember, don't forget, chat, where do we sell? Remember that day where we sold at 225? Yes, I have the receipts for it, by the way. I have the receipts. I was long on SpaceX from it's like pop, and then we ended up selling at 225. You gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. Nasdaq just continuing to chop here. Continuing to chop here. Wick, wick, wick. Wick, wick, wick. Chop, chop, chopping. Chop, chop, chopping. All right, we got about 20 minutes here till this hourly candle closes. Right now, just kind of holding up here. Holding up here. Holding up here. Going nowhere quickly. Big dump. Back below 200 now. Will they dump this down? Back to the VWAP we go. 170s. The problem now is if you try to short right here, well, you know what's going to happen. It's going to chop right back up and then blow up your account. So if you're looking to get short, you know, at this point, you got to kind of wait for us to get below the VWAP because, well, exactly. Look at that, right back up again. No thank you, sir. No thank you. No thank you, sir. Oh, la 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 la. It's like now, it's just like, cannot chase this short down here. For now, at least. We bounced right there off the VWAP. We took out all these lows right here. They love to do this where they like trap. They basically take out all these lows, and that's why we got that dump through there. But now the question is, do they pop it right back up? You know? Starting to sell again, but still holding there, still pop. We got about 15 minutes here. 15 minutes till 11 o'clock, new hourly candle. And look at this, straight back up. What in the fuck? God. Someone in the chat said 100-point dump incoming, and it just popped up 100 points. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. You gotta laugh about it sometimes. You do gotta laugh about it. You gotta laugh about it sometimes. I told you to go long, bro. Oh, God. Some guy in the chat told me to go long. Damn it. Why did I not listen to the guy in the chat? Why? If I only would have listened to the guy in the chat whose name is Tradeify Apex Furu. Oh, man. Why did I not listen to the guy in the chat whose name is Tradeify Apex Furu? The fucking Furu. Are we gonna finally start breaking out here or what? What's the fucking play here? Fuck. Any trades for today? Yeah, we traded all morning long. Right now the market is stuck here, so we're waiting to see what happens. It's just not going anywhere, so. What do I expect? I'm just expecting some more chop here, to be honest. We can't really break down. We really can't push up. I mean, we had a big move at open, and now we're just kind of stuck here. I mean, I don't know. Getting tighter and tighter, so I mean, maybe we push up, maybe not. Nvidia is pushing up right now. Nvidia has popped up 209. Nvidia is moving. Okay. Interesting. Inter-fucking-resting. Inter-fucking-resting. All right, there we go. Squeezing back up here now. Is it going to actually go, though? Fuck, man. There's the squeeze. Now we're not going to get a pullback. That's the best part, right? Like, now it's just going to go straight up with no pullback. You do just have to love it. PW, do you journal your trades? Yes. Every day I write in my journal, "Dear baby journal, baby Jesus. Today I blew every single account." Why did I blow every single account? Because I'm poor. And everybody's just poor. I'm a poor bastard. We push through 260s there. I'm trying to get maybe a little better pullback. Gonna try the long here, I guess. 20 long. 20 long. Can we squeeze? 20 long. Pull back. Perfect. Add to it to 100. Fuck. I'm long, guys. We are long, not short, for anybody asking. Yeah, we make a new high here, 300, very doable, I think, but what do I know? Maybe Chop City for a while. We broke out there on the 5-minute chart. Looking for this new high right through the 300s. Let's get it. The most annoying part is like how many times we try to get long here and then it's like, you know, obviously it finally works out. So we had the right idea. The market just, you had to wait. That was a problem. It was like an hour of just waiting, right? Like a fucking hour of just sitting there waiting for this chop to die. And then look how beautiful that was. It went straight from 200 to 300 in the last 15 minutes. So, moral of the story here is that sometimes you just gotta wait. That's all. There's no secret to it. It's just you have to wait for the setup. And well, as you can see, it did go, but the pain was real along the way. You can see all the pain here. All that chop, all that pain. We did get the break. We're going for that gap fill, that 315 area. We're about to get filled here. So. Oh my lord, I'm gonna pop this above 300 now because, well, it should go. There's above 300 now. Do we get filled? So close. Wow. Whoopsies. I know, it hit take profit, I know. But we're gonna get it. Come on. One more little poppity pop. One more is all I need to make it all in with me. To face the possibilities, I just need one more piece. Come on, baby girl, just get there. Just get there already. Oh my lord, you spill me! I want $20,000. $20,000. $20,000. $20,000. Yeah, Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Dude, what the fuck? Did Nvidia just solve just fucking... What the fuck? Look at Nvidia right now. La la la. So it sounds like I got a new deal going on at Apex right now. I'm still researching it, but I just got an update. Looks like Apex just rolled out a new deal. Something to do with the 100K accounts, I believe. I think it's the 100K accounts are now. Let me see. I got a text message here. 100K intraday, all in, no activation fee, $59. Can't even fit everything in there. Oh, well. Looks like we crushed that trade. From the 255s up there to the 304s. Not bad, not bad. That was a that's a 50-point trade, right? We call that a 50-point trade. Right? Right? That's a 50-point trade, right? That's a 50-point trade, right? It's a 50-point trade, right? I think as you can see here, we filled the gap. That was a previous day close. So up there to fill the gap here. I think now it's just like, what do you do? Do you chase this? I mean, look at Nvidia right now. Fuck. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's like at this point, fuck. That played out beautifully. You know? That played out beautifully there, so. After all that bullshit getting chopped up, look at how nice that was afterwards. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. The daily candle is about to flip. Yeah. She's pushing. Pushing P. Pushing P. My Ethereum swing trade or long or whatever you want to call it. Right now we're up $7,000 here on Ethereum right now. We got 52, almost 53 Ethereum. Kind of swinging this right now. I made a video the other day talking about it, the Ethereum kind of breakout here that I was looking at for this idea of maybe pushing back up there 2400 area. So we'll see. You never know. You never know. You never know. We got Google, we got Tesla reporting earnings later on today, so what happens? Still pumping. Oh, man. I don't know. It's just hard. It's hard to like chase this now because, like we said, you had this, you know, hour. It was an hour of chop basically, right? So. Yeah, no, I mean, no reason to chase, that's for sure. But that was a beautiful trade either way. I just fucking... It's hard. Trading is hard, chat, right? Because like you keep like, oh, okay, I'm gonna take this long here. You get stopped out. You're like, fuck. And then it like moves down here and like, oh, it's gonna be a short. And well, then it's like the VWAP's holding it. So I would say the biggest lesson of the day here is higher time frames will prevail, right? If you zoom out here on the hourly chart, you're like, oh, you know, if you're looking at that hourly candle, you're like, well, or you know, most of that hourly candle, it was a big red candle kind of pulling back in there. So you're just kind of like waiting for that hourly candle to get some confirmation. And you can see kind of like that hourly candle breaking out, the 15-minute chart breaking out. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the FOMO is real. And look at it now, 321. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. Still pumping though. Nvidia is kind of pulling back a little bit, but Nasdaq breaking out once again through those highs. So it's just sitting there. You got pretty much what yesterday's high up there, 360 area to get to. So maybe that's the next target here. You got 35 minutes left on that candle. You got D money coming up at 12 o'clock. So gotta see. Still pumping. 360s seems like that's the next stop. Next stop, 360s. Well, I guess it's kind of going. Just grinding higher now. Just grinding higher now. Going for that overnight, well, sorry, the previous day high there. Previous day high, like I said, is up there, 360 area. So, will it get there? The $1 million question. Possibly. Oh, sorry, 59. Yeah, you're right, you're right. Gotta fix that. Oh. Hey, you know, at least, you know, hey, at least we didn't get short down here. You know, at least. That's the one thing that we should be happy about, right? Like, hey, you know, hey, it wasn't easy, but, you know, at least we didn't get short right into the VWAP down there, right? Right? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? At least. So, that's the one good thing, I guess. Ethereum trying to break out here, too. I like that. Come on, Ethereum. I need to make some money. Swing trading is so it's like a, it's when you're like a when you're like a momentum day trader and you trade, you know, like on fucking 5-minute candles, swing trading is hard. It is not easy. I'm like sitting here looking at my P&L and I'm like, fuck, do I just take it? Do I hold it? What do I do? I got $100,000 invested in Ethereum and we're up $7,000 right now. It's like, what do I do, man? What do I do? What do I do? You know? What do I do? Show us your swing trading strategy. I mean, it's a Tory trendlines. Fuck. Tory trendlines. I mean, here, this is the way I look at it, right? I was looking at Ethereum. We had a double bottom. We had kind of this range. We broke out. Daily chart. That's all. I mean, this is like, imagine this is a 1-minute chart, right? Like, imagine this is a 1-minute chart. You know? You know? If you imagine this is a 1-minute chart, like where would you get long at here? Well, you'd get long on this like pullback, right? So, I mean, it sucks because, like I said, the fucking Tory trades, you know, claims that she's the fucking trendline queen, but fuck. 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 That sucks. Damn it. She was right this whole time. No, I mean, that's all I was thinking, right? We had that downtrend, kind of the pattern playing out, so. I got long once we broke out through that trend, so. That was my swing trade idea. I mean, it's the same thing with like Nvidia. You know, if you're trading, let's say you're trading Nvidia swing trade. You know, it's like kind of looking for higher lows. Like this is maybe that higher low to go higher, right? From there. So I think people overcomplicate. You know, people overcomplicate the swing trades because, or like investing, because at the end of the day, like I said, you're just trading a larger time frame, but it's the same thing, right? Same candlesticks, same patterns. It's not like it's a different, you know, like it's not like you're doing something totally different. If you're swing trading or if you're, you know, holding something for like a longer investment, it's just you're looking at the candlesticks, right? Daily chart. I think just people overcomplicate this shit for sure. Like I bought in on Apple. I got in on Apple last year. Right, I got in on Apple last year. Down here, right? Basically, once we put in that double bottom on Apple and had that breakout, I got long on Apple. So I'm still long on Apple in my like long-term portfolio. But yeah. It's just like, you just gotta like, instead of thinking about this being daily candles, you're just like, okay, if I was trading a 5-minute chart, you know, where would I get long at? We had double bottom, we had a breakout, and that's kind of like all it is, right? It's kind of the same idea. Different time frames, different strategies. Well, actually, sorry. This is 2026. I actually got long last year down here on this breakout. Yeah, so I got long last year. This 200 area. Where's my thingy at? Where's my thingy at here? Let me log into my thingy majiggy. Gotta log in here for my little thingy majiggy. Yeah, so this is my Apple position right here. My cost per share is 209 on Apple. So I opened it July 7th, 2025. Right, that would have been where is that? The fuck where's July at? April, May, June, July. Yeah, so it would have literally been right here for this breakout. But it's cool. It's cool. I mean, not bad for like a year, right? That's a year. So a 55% return. 55% return holding a stock for a year. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Obviously, there's been a lot of other stocks that have made much larger moves. So, but I mean, hey, again, it's like that's I put what, 190, I put $90,000 into this trade, and you know, here we are. So it's not a bad trade. Yeah, you get fucking, you don't even get 3% at the bank anymore. You get like fucking 1%. Nasdaq did pull back here. Maybe we pull back, kind of retest some levels and then go higher. Maybe we chop. We'll see. We're going into that 12 o'clock hour. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. D-Money coming up at 12. So we'll see what happens. Someone said, I know that day trading is our focus, but it's great to see when you talk about longer term investing. I mean, you ain't wrong. I think this might go down. Like, I still have nightmares about this. I still have nightmares about this. Like, God, why did I not go fuck? If I would have, coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? If I would have put 90 grand last year into SanDisk, right, at 37 fucking dollars. Let's just do them. I don't even know what the. I don't even want to do the math. What is that? What is that return? What is it? What is the 4,000% return on 90 grand? $3.6 million? Oh my God. $4.5 million? Oh my God. Oh my God. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. I probably would have sold before it went higher anyway, so. That, I mean, I think this has to have been the craziest. I don't even know. I mean, we've got what, IBM recently as well, making some big fucking moves. Not too crazy, but. No, I mean, I don't know. What fucking... Oh, Intel. Was Intel the one? INTC? Yeah, Intel made a big move since last year. That's only like... It's not that much, but... It's like a 500% move. Yeah, I mean, the fucking... The... Man. I don't know. The SanDisk thing is just... It's crazy. It's like, it's just, it makes you depressed. I'm fucking depressed, chat. Like, just get depressed looking at that chart. Fucking, oh my God. Crazy. Crazy, man. I'm depressed now. I can't even, I don't even want to fucking, I don't know. Still pushing. Still pushing. Back up here again. It's like right there. Are we gonna push through 300 strong? I'm gonna try another long. Just see if we can't get like a little pushy push. Ugh. Rejection there. That's not good. Rejection. I'm going to add right there 290s. We should pop off 290s here. Pushy, pushy. Mushy, mushy, pushy, pushy. Mushy, mushy, pushy, pushy. Ugh. Chop Chop City again. Should not have done that. Got 2 minutes on this 5-minute candle. If we just hold this 290 level, I think we're going to push, but I don't know. I don't like that we're rejecting right there, to be honest. Right back into the 280s again. It's a size thing for sure. Fuck. Straight back down. Denied. Denied. This is 20 Apex accounts, guys. 20 Apex accounts. It's only 3 contracts per account. Don't do as I do. I'm just saying, okay? Ugh. Motherfuckers. We got this 5-minute candle about to close, and it's just like getting stuck right in that last 5-minute wick. Let's get a push back above 300 quickly here, and we can get out for a quick little profit. Looks good, looks good. Let me take some off right there. The trailing drawdown. You got to be careful. The trailing drawdown with Apex. Take profit when you see the profit. Okay, take profit when you see the profit. See if I can just get out here at 302 and then I'm done. I'm out of it. It's probably gonna push now that I'm out. So probably. Yeah, there it goes. Fuck. Pumping again. Should have held that. Let's try another long here. Get through his 310 quickly. See if we got like 10 points. JK. Back to that EMA one more time. Can we pump out of here? We got D-Money coming up in 15 minutes. If you don't like losing with PW, don't worry. You got D-Money coming up. Yeah, just fuck chopped up here. Ugh, that last move was so nice. Why was that last move so nice? And then now just jab. Just jab it. Got this last 10 minutes going into that 12 o'clock candle. Can we get a pump? Can we get a pump? Can we get a pump? Pump it, boy. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Puppy, 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 puppy. 5-minute chart just like hanging out right there. We broke through the last 5-minute candle. We pushed up to that 310. I mean, it's like, you know, can we go for that high again? Hourly candle, what are we looking like? We pushed up. I mean, yesterday's high is still up there, 360. The high on this candle was 342. I mean, in theory, I think we could push in this last 10 minutes, right? Like, we could, but we gotta see. Oh, started talking about it, and then it pulled right back. God damn it. Yeah, I caught a pump yesterday right here, right before 12 o'clock. So, will the algorithm play out once again? 12 o'clock pump. Five seconds till this 10-minute candle closes. Oh, baby, baby, baby. I like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. Little puppity, 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 pup, pup, pup. Little puppity, 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 pup, 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 pup. Need some more, though. I need some more, chat. Don't stop there. Don't stop there. Don't stop there, chat. Don't stop there. Don't stop there, chat. Don't stop there. Where was my entry? Somebody said. I don't know. Look at the fucking blue line, bro. The chat is cooked. Where'd you get long at, Patrick? I don't see your entry here. You never told me that you were getting long. You never told me. Shut the fuck up. Well, there you go. There's the pump. Did we predict it? Maybe. Maybe we did. But who knows? 320s now. Pumping, pumping, pumping. You gotta love it. I'm gonna go. Fuck. It's gonna make me FOMO back in. I don't want to do it. Don't make me do it, chat. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it, chat, please. I don't want to do it. It's still pumping, though. Yeah, I think it's got to go for that high on that hourly candle, right? The daily high, 360 area. You got 10 minutes left there. Going into that 12 o'clock candle. So we pulled back into that EMA. That's the 21 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. Look at this, still pumping. So haters gonna hate, but yeah, it worked out. 330s now, probably gonna go right to fucking 340. God damn it. You puss wall, Patrick. I'm a puss wall. Why am I such a puss wall? I'm a puss wall. I got scared, chat. I got scared. I got scared, man. I got scared. Yeah, I mean, that's just how it is. Sometimes you get out early. Because, you know, there's going to be those times where you get out early and it works. And then other days, you know, just got to play what you get. I think the easiest mindset or the best mindset as a day trader is just to just be happy with whatever you can get. You know, if you make a little bit of money every day, be happy. Right? Just take what you can get. Keep it in perspective. You know, don't be greedy. Don't be a bastard. I don't know. I think that's my one lesson for anybody out there who's new to trading. The best way to make money trading is just to be patient. Wait for your setups. Get in. Get out. Don't FOMO. Don't try to think that like you have to be in on every move. Right? Because, well, you don't, right? Nobody's forcing you to trade every single move. Look at that, right back down now. So good thing we did not chase it and FOMO up there at the 320s, right? Good thing, good thing. And we got D-Money coming up here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the D-Money show. If you guys enjoy D-Money, make sure you tune in 12 o'clock. And you got Denny, 6 o'clock. And bad news for everybody watching. I will not be here tomorrow morning. I'm going to Reno tonight. We got some racing stuff going on. So I won't be here tomorrow, but D-Money will be live in the morning. So if I don't see you before I see you, I'll see you next week. I'll be back next Monday. Me and Landon are going to racing. So there it is. A little pullback here on the Nasdaq. Got D-Money coming up soon. And, well, if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up, Junior. Blow it up, Junior. I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy the weekend. Like I said, enjoy D-Money and Denny and all that fun stuff. So I'll see you guys next week. Peace to the Middle East.